What's up YouTube, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. So I am back with another Mi phone unboxing, and this time we have a cool new smartphone from Xiaomi, the Mi A3. It is one of the best budget smartphone under $200 right now, and what's more impressive thing about Mi A3 is its software. Well, we will see pure Android experience just like what we see in Google Pixel. So hey, before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel so far, do subscribe it as it is free and costs you nothing, and also press the bell icon so you can get notified for every video which I upload. First we will talk about the box. Well, we have a Mi A3 device image on the front, and on the back side we have main specification of the device are mentioned. The variant which I am unboxing right now has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage, and the color is not just blue. So cutting the plastic and removing it. After removing the plastic from the box, let's open it up, and after opening the box we will first encounter the typical Xiaomi card box. Taking it out from the box and see what is inside. Opening the card box, we have a SIM ejector tool which we will use to open the SIM tray later on, and we have a startup guide as well which no one reads. And the last thing which is inside this card box is the TPU silicone cover wrapped in plastic. Removing the plastic, well, we have a normal quality TPU cover and the cutout on the back side for camera. Next thing in the box is the device itself, and it is also wrapped in plastic. Taking it out the device from the box, and after unwrapping it from the plastic, on the back side we see a plastic blue body with 3 cameras set up on the back side, and on the front side we have a screen protector with some main highlights of the device. Other thing in the box is a USB to Type-C cable, and it is good from Xiaomi as it will be used for fast data transfer as well as fast charging. And the last thing which is inside the box is an 18-watt fast charger, which is really awesome for Xiaomi. It will help us to charge the battery even faster. Let's remove the screen protector. We have a 6.0-inch Super AMOLED display with a 32-megapixel selfie camera and a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front side. And on the left side we have a SIM tray, and on the back side we have a triple camera setup with LED flash. The main camera is a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. On the right side we have a power button and a volume rocker. On the bottom we have a Type-C port and 2 speaker grills, while on the top we have the return of 3.5mm headphone jack in Mi A series, and along with the headphone jack we have an IR blaster and a noise cancellation mic. While the device is setting up, let's see what are the other specs which are coming inside Mi A3. We have a Snapdragon 665 processor inside, which performance is decent. It's not a flagship processor, but considering the device price, well, it can be performed daily tasks quite easily. The variant which I am unboxing have 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. And the last thing which is the battery. We have a 4030 mAh battery which is non-removable coming inside Mi A3. Talking about the software, well, we have an Android 9 Pie based on Android 1 which will provide us the stock Android experience. Personally, I love this pure Android experience as it's one of the fine implementation of Android. And just because it is a pure Android, we will see latest Android updates very fast inside the Mi A3. If we look at the current devices which are coming from the Xiaomi, we see that a biometric have been implemented in each and every device. So Mi A3 is not left behind. We see a biometric implementation of fingerprint as well as face unlock inside the Mi A3. While we didn't see any fingerprint scanner on the back side, we have an in-display fingerprint scanner inside the Mi A3. The unlocking speed of fingerprint scanner is not fast as other devices which I have tested, and comparing it certainly with other devices, its unlocking speed is slow. We also have a support for face unlock, but the face unlock which can be set up in no time, but the disadvantage is it is not secure, and even it can open with your photos. So bear in mind while using it, it is no doubt fast, but it is not secure. It's better to use fingerprint scanner instead of face unlock. In terms of camera, it has all the features which you need. It has the slow motion, the night mode, the panorama mode, and etc. I have taken some sample images just to show you guys about the device, and also have a video as well. You can check it out by yourself. Opening the SIM tray, we have a hybrid SIM slot. We see either we can add 2 SIM or 1 SIM and a dedicated micro SD card inside the Mi A3. So that's it from the video. Well, if you have small budget of less than $200, then this device is worth buying. Its price is $185, and if you are interested to buy this device, then you can buy it from a West trading shop in UAE. Here is their card. You can contact them via WhatsApp or can make a direct call as well. And if you need my help, I'm always ready to help you guys. I have also posted my number